Hi, it's Annelie. I've got this silicone mold, and I want to take my glue gun and make myself a mold because I don't want to use air dry clay today. So I'm just gonna get going as soon as this is warm. It's actually starting to warm up, so I'm just going to start to fill up this mold. It's going to take a time or some time because you have to push this in everywhere and fill it up nicely. So I will just speed this up. Oh damn it, I touched that area there. Just remember, it is a messy thing. Luckily when you're into crafts and arts you don't mind the mess too much. Okay, I made sure I fill it up to the top. Don't worry about the strings and stuff, you can just take that off afterwards. Now I'm just going to let it cool down and then I will take it out. So I'm going to put it aside for a while. Okay, it's almost cold, but I think I'm going to try and take it off. I'm just taking these to the side and then you can just start unboxing it from the side and just peel it off. And you can see there, you can just trim this off with a scissor or with a knife, and now you can use this, and it's flexible, it can go around something. You know, you can actually put it around something like a bottle or anything. There you go. Now I'm just going to paint it gold and then you can see how it looks. Okay, I'm first going to paint it black, and when it's dry I brush it with my gold. Okay, while this is drying, I'm going to paint this. I think I'm going to put this on here. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it like that. I will see, but I'm going to paint this. This is just an old coaster. So I'm going to paint this turquoise. I'm just going to let it dry and then I will see if it needs a second coat. I actually love the texture that's coming through like that. So I'll see you when this is dry. Okay, I think I'm going to put the frame like this. And then I'm just going to paint two cats inside the frame. So I'm just going to take my rod ring making the one its eyes are yellow and the other one's eyes maybe I think green. I'm just gonna highlight with a little bit of white against this kitty at the back. This is just a jelly roll pen that I'm using now, a jelly roll number 10. So I think I'm going to paint this gold now. I've just picked up a little bit of gold on my brush and I'm just going to dry brush this. I still want the black to come through. I've got a brass gold that I'm using at the moment, but I also have this iridescent bright gold. I think I'm going to put on a little bit of this brass gold first, and then I'm just going to maybe put on a touch of the iridescent gold, because I think it will brighten up the blue a little bit. I'm still not sure what I'm going to do with the outside of the of the, what do you call this thing, coaster, but I will see. Okay, I just want to let it quickly dry and then I'll come back. Okay, I've got the iridescent gold now. I hope it's going to make a difference. I think you can see the difference between the two. Okay, now I'm just gonna quickly dry it and then hopefully it will look great. Okay, now I just want to decide what to do with the back, and I think I must make it black. I think I want to change the color on the inside. I've got a little bit of I think it's phthalo blue on my palette, so I think I'm just going to actually want to make it a little bit darker. I'm just putting a little bit of white in. I almost want to make it like maybe a little story effect or something. I also want to put maybe a little bit of a wing. If it doesn't work, I'll just take it out and I want to make a little bit of a halo. Sorry, I forgot to film that. I just took a piece of sandpaper and I just took off a little bit of this turquoise paint from the cork, and I just scored the edges like that. Now I'm going to take my glue gun and I'm going to glue this down there. Okay, I'm just going to put my glue around this, and then hopefully I can stick this down. And there you go. Now you've got a nice magnet for your fridge, or you can do something else with this as well. You can see the texture, it's nice, especially I like this one, the cork as well. It picks nice up into the frame and it doesn't make it too blue. So I will just give this a coat of varnish and then I'm finished. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I will see you next time and have a lovely day.